Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to XPSTECH. I'm Vineet, and every year in the month of April, we get a new version of Ubuntu Linux, one of the most popular Linux OS out there. And following the trend, this year Ubuntu released its latest version 19.04, codename Dingo, on 18th of April. It is one of the Non LTS release. This is the release strategy that Ubuntu follows, releasing LTS version every alternate year with Non LTS version in between. Non LTS releases are supported only for 9 months, so do keep that in mind if you want to install it on your primary or work computer. Alright, so with that said, let's check out this release and find out what's new in the latest version of Ubuntu. Alright, so let's start with the installation. Installation of Ubuntu is already one of the simplest OS install out there, and it remains unchanged in the latest iteration also. So you get all the standard set of options like selection of language, hard drive to install, and setting user account name and password. And the complete installation takes around 10 to 15 minutes. So once the installation is over, you get the beautiful GNOME desktop, which is now at version 3.32 with Ubuntu's custom Yaru theme installed. This theme actually made its debut last year with 18.04, but now it is kind of more integrated with support for third-party apps as well. So the overall design looks seamless. The Yaru theme looks modern with dark menu bars and high contrast colors. I would personally prefer option for lighter mode as well. With the latest desktop, of course, you get new set of wallpapers from Ubuntu. This time again, Ubuntu is going with the purple orange gradient wallpaper, the colors that Ubuntu has been using for its default wallpaper since version 15.04. The icon theme has also changed to Yaru icon theme, so the icon design of apps is slightly updated. Alright, now talking about the desktop icons are available by default, which is not the case with the vanilla GNOME setup. However, there is no option to resize the desktop icons by default. To change the size of icons, you need to download GNOME Tweak tool, and with that also you only get 3 settings: small, standard and large to choose from. And there's no drag and drop support to paste things onto desktop. So yes, the desktop is still little limiting. One new feature that is added to Ubuntu operating system but is not available for 19.04 is the live patch mode, which essentially lets you update the kernel that the system is running on live without the need to reboot the system. But live patch is only for LTS system, so it's not for Ubuntu 19.04 distro. So now let's check out settings. There have been few changes here. First, you get a new applications category which lets you manage notification and file handling for each app. This helps you to personalize and customize your desktop. Next is the sound setting. There's a new layout of sound options with separate input and output sections and 4 alert sound options at the bottom. The last change is in the night light mode, which now has a slider to adjust the yellow warm screen temperature as per your liking. Alright, now let's talk about the system performance. The new version is running the latest Linux kernel 5.0, so there's some small improvements in speed and power consumption on paper. However, in real world scenario, I have not found any major performance improvement. In my test machine on idle, the RAM usage was around 850 to 900 MB, which is not the lightest, but it's kind of the standard for mainstream Linux distros. Alright, so that was all for today. If you want to try Ubuntu 19.04, you can download it from Ubuntu's website. The link is in the description below. But considering it's not a major update and the fact that it's a non-LTS release that will be supported only for 9 months, so if you're running an earlier version of Ubuntu, you may want to skip this version. Alright, thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video. If you do, kindly press the like button. If you have any comment, suggestion or feedback, do type that in the comment box. And a huge shout out to all the subscribers of XPSTECH channel. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you next time.